everybody, John Kromm here, your official coach of real estate, here with James Fleming from Country Financial. If you read the headline of this video, you know the question is earthquake and flood insurance, is it included with your standard policy? So if the Sisters Mountains blow up and we all fall into a crevasse, crevasse, or if a dam breaks and floods the whole area here, what's going to happen? So are you covered? I don't know. I mean, I do know because we've shot this before, but I'm going to ask him. He's going to tell you, all right? Take it away.
So did you turn French all of a sudden, crevasse? So anyway, earthquake coverage is not usually on a standard homeowner's policy. It's usually an endorsement you have to add. And you can add it, as an endorsement for coverage there. If you don't know if you have earthquake coverage, you probably don't. Right. And that's something you probably want to talk to your insurance agent about if that's something that you want coverage for.
So it's like an extra added feature if you are inclined to get that.
Right.
Okay, cool. What about flood?
So flood insurance is not on your standard homeowners policies. Now homeowners policies cover water leaks based on like broken pipes or like a broken ice maker line or ice dams, stuff like that.
Right.
That's covered under your basic homeowners policy. But flood insurance, which means if there's flood from water coming from the outside of the house into the house, that is not covered on any basic homeowners policy.
Okay.
You have to get flood insurance, which is a separate policy. Now I offer flood insurance options too there if you're interested in that. It's a real specific policy though. Usually people that have flood insurance live on a flood zone or a flood plain.
Right.
They're required to get it through the mortgagee.
Yeah.
So if you're not on a floodplain, usually it's not it definitely isn't required, but usually it's not needed for that particular coverage because it's real specific. Yeah. But if you're interested in that coverage, I can help you with that too. So
gotcha. Okay. Well, there you go. Optional on the earthquake and a whole separate policy for the flood. You don't need it if it's not required, and if it is required, you're going to know because your lender's going to make you do it when you buy a house in the first place. But aside from that, if you do have a weird gut feeling that you need flood insurance, you can call this guy and he will set you up. Hope that answers your questions, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Cheers.
Cheers.